We ask every day if we are doing enough. Choosing an Uponor radiant system, you can save primary energy and CO2 emission compared to a traditional heating-cooling system. You will contribute further also to safeguarding the planet. A house heated and cooled with Uponor radiant system is healthier. Optimal internal temperature distribution, it's practically noiseless, and as it minimizes air circulation, the absence of draft and dust problems make Uponor radiant systems the ideal place also for the elderly, children, and even for allergy sufferers. The absence of radiators, fan coils, or other cumbersome devices means complete freedom in terms of layout and furnishing, and allows all available space to be utilized to its full potential. You can save energy and reduce CO2 emissions. It is because our solutions are conceived and designed to work with moderate temperature of the water, and the large radiant heating and cooling surfaces ensure maximum comfort using minimal energy. With Uponor radiant system, you can enjoy a 360-degree comfort. Uponor will always ensure the feeling of well-being every day and every season of the year.